Got a spare moment to supercharge your online spending? Well, if you're looking for a simple, secure, and smart way to manage your money online, then you need to know about the myPaysafe account. It's more than just a place to store your PaySafe vouchers, it's a financial hub that gives you complete control. What makes it so great? Let's dive into some of the top features and tips to get the most out of your myPaysafe account. First up, the myPaysafe MasterCard. This isn't just any card, it's a global key to your funds. When you top up your myPaysafe account, you can use the card for payments wherever MasterCard is accepted, both online and in person. Plus, you can even withdraw cash from ATMs. It's the perfect way to use your PaySafe balance for everyday purchases without being limited to just a handful of websites. Another standout feature is the transaction history. Ever wonder where all your money went? Your myPaysafe account tracks every single transaction, so you can see a clear, detailed breakdown of your spending. This is perfect for budgeting and keeping an eye on your finances. You can easily sort and filter your history to see how much you're spending on gaming, shopping, or anything else. Now for some tips to help you become a myPaysafe pro. Tip number 1, set up a monthly budget. The transaction history feature is your best friend here. At the end of each month, take a quick look at your spending habits. This will help you identify areas where you can save and ensure you're sticking to your financial goals. Tip number 2, take advantage of promotions and rewards. Sometimes, PaySafe offers exclusive deals for myPaysafe account holders. These can be anything from bonus credit to special discounts. Keep an eye on your inbox and the app's notifications so you don't miss out on these money-saving opportunities. Lastly, my third tip is to prioritize security. Your myPaysafe account is designed to be secure, but you play a big part in keeping it safe. Always use a strong, unique password and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring that even if someone figures out your password, they can't access your account. In a nutshell, the myPaysafe account is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to manage their online finances with ease. With features like the myPaysafe MasterCard and detailed transaction history, plus a few smart tips, you're set to take control of your money. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.